Welcome to our channel Best Vacation Ideas, and listen, I've been around the block a time or two. I've made a whole career out of picking up my camera and just going. Today, I'm pumped to share some of what I've learned along the way. We're talking solo travel tips, the kind of stuff you only figure out after years of making every mistake in the book. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock a whole new level of freedom and adventure. If you plan on doing solo traveling soon, tell us in the comments section what place do you plan on visiting. Stay safe and happy traveling. Alright, let's talk itineraries. I know, planning isn't always the most glamorous part of travel, but trust me, a little bit of planning goes a long way, especially when you're flying solo. Think of it like this. You don't need a minute-by-minute schedule, but a rough outline of your must-dos will be your best friend. We're talking about hitting up those iconic landmarks, maybe scoping out some local restaurants, or even just figuring out how the heck to get from the airport to your hotel. It's all about giving yourself a roadmap, a sense of direction, so you can actually relax and enjoy the ride. Okay, let's talk packing. I used to be that guy who brought everything but the kitchen sink, but let me tell you, traveling light is a game changer. First off, nobody wants to be lugging around a massive suitcase, right? Especially when you're navigating crowded streets or hopping on and off trains. Pack versatile clothing, stuff that can be mixed and matched for different looks and occasions. And remember, if you forget something, you can probably find it wherever you're going. Chapter 3. Home is where the Wi-Fi is. Alright, let's be real, staying connected is more important than ever. And no, I'm not just talking about scrolling through Instagram, although let's be honest, we all do it. I'm talking about safety, people. Let your people know your plans, share your itinerary with someone you trust, and check in regularly. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference. Plus, it gives you a chance to share those epic travel pics and make everyone back home jealous. Chapter 4. Speak like a local, sort of. Now, I'm not saying you need to be fluent in every language under the sun, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Think about it. A simple hello, thank you, or even where's the bathroom, can make a huge difference in how you connect with locals. It shows that you're making an effort, that you're respecting their culture. Plus, it might just lead to some unexpected conversations and unforgettable experiences. Chapter 5. Trust your gut, stay safe. Look, when you're traveling solo, your instincts are your best friend. If something feels off, if a situation makes you uncomfortable, don't hesitate to remove yourself. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Trust your gut, listen to that inner voice, and don't be afraid to walk away from something that doesn't feel right. And hey, if you're ever unsure, reach out to locals, ask for help, or connect with fellow travelers. Remember, you're not alone out there. Let's dive into some common questions about solo travel. How can I stay safe while traveling alone? Trust your instincts, stay aware of your surroundings, and keep in touch with someone back home. What are the best destinations for first-time solo travelers? Consider places with good infrastructure and safety records like Japan, New Zealand, or Iceland. How do I manage loneliness during solo trips? Stay in hostels, join group tours, and use social apps to meet fellow travelers. What essentials should I pack for solo travel? Pack light but include essentials like a first aid kit, portable charger, and a good book. How can I meet people when traveling alone? Attend local events, stay in social accommodations, and be open to conversations. What are the pros and cons of solo travel? Pros include freedom and self-discovery. Cons can be loneliness and safety concerns. How do I budget effectively for a solo trip? Plan ahead, track your expenses, and look for deals. What are common mistakes to avoid when traveling solo? Overpacking, not researching your destination, and ignoring safety precautions. How do I take photos of myself when traveling alone? Use a tripod, self-timer, or ask fellow travelers. What are the best apps for solo travelers? Apps like Google Maps, Airbnb, and Meetup can be very helpful. Outro, the open road awaits. So there you have it, my top tips for solo travel straight from the source. Look, the world is a big, beautiful, and often chaotic place, especially when you're exploring it on your own. But trust me, it's also an incredibly rewarding experience. You'll learn so much about yourself, about different cultures, and about what you're truly capable of. So get out there, embrace the unknown, and make some memories that will last a lifetime.